Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Jeff, Clearly Coastal. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of an install. I'm going to be adding Starlink to the boat. So I'm going to put a mount on the roof and then see how this works on the boat. One of the reasons I want this is a lot of times we're going where there's no cell coverage, and even radio coverage on the VHF is really hit and miss. So just a really good way to reach the outside world, check weather, all that kind of stuff, message people if we need help, things like that. So let's get going and get this installed. So this rail I picked up off Amazon. Fits a variety of rails, comes with two different bolt lengths here. Mine's going to need the longer one, but if you have skinnier rails, it will work on that as well. Alright, those are on nice and tight. So let's go get the mount installed, and then we'll bring it up here, test it out on land here first, and then we'll do a test out on the water. Alright, so I got the base that it came with removed so that we can attach this on here so it goes into the mount up on the roof, and then we'll put it up there, give it a test. Okay, so now you can see I got the base here all installed. The cable runs right through there. So I'll go put it up on the roof, we'll get it all plugged in and give it our test. Alright, so it's in there now, nice and tight, won't pop out. So I'll go hook up the router and see what speeds we're getting here at the house. Alright, we got everything wired up. I'm going to clean this up because it's going to go somewhere else, which I'll show you in a minute. Let's see if this worked. Hey buddy. Oh, just making this thing going. Yep. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I figured we'll see how it works while the boat's moving too. I'm going to like clean it up, but because
you're on shore power.
Yeah, I'm going to put the jackery down there.
Yeah.
And then I can have everything, just because there's little cubbies down there.
Yeah.
Everything will be nice and tucked away.
Oh, cool.
And
oh, like so. Oh, okay, so this is all going to be down there, and then you just kind of plug it in.
So this is the plug-in. I'll have the jackery down there to plug it right in. This is all right here.
Does that come out?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So we got her hooked up here. Just did a speed test. 104 megabytes a second. 20 megabytes upload. So let's go see what it does when the boat's moving. That's gonna be cool. Alright, so we're out on the water. We got the jackery powering the Starlink right there. I will clean up those wires, but for now it's going back in the house for the winter, so that's not too worried about it now.
Down to...
No, oh, drop down, now it's back up.
Down to 24, now it's... Okay.
Yeah, so it's...
So idle is around 20-30 watts.
Yeah, and then in use it looks like it's using about 82 watts, and on the jackery that's 18-ish hours of power, so... Okay, let's get on to the Starlink here. Oh. We're getting 160, 180, hitting 200s on speed here, so that's incredible.
200?
203 it logged in at.
What?
Yeah. And it was drawing about 60, between 50 and 60 amps it looks like, or watts, sorry. Okay, so we're gonna get up to speed and then I'm gonna run it again.
Okay. 50 watts at idle, basically.
Yeah. That's crazy.
That's pretty high.
Well, I was thinking talking the speed.
Oh yeah, that's unreal. It's better than my house by
Me too.
triple.
Me too.
I'm like 60.
Okay, so we are now getting almost spiked at 300. 270, and I'm doing 23 knots. 267.
No way.
Yeah.
That's insane.
And upload speed at 20, but I could upload faster of my YouTube videos on this than at home.
That's what you should do.
Yeah, just come out to the...
Just come out to the boat.
Sorry, honey, I gotta go to the boat, upload some videos.
Gotta do some editing.
That's wild.
That is wild.
At 23 knots.
Huh.
We'll turn and go north in a minute. And see.
Okay. Yeah. Seems like idle's around 50 watts an hour.
Yeah. That's where I think I won't leave it plugged in if I'm not using it, right?
Yeah, totally.
Oh, dude. This is cool. Gonna be cool for us to have out there.
Oh, that's
just for checking weather.
absolutely massive.
Like when I was in
Kids will want to come with you now.
Yeah, totally. But when I was in Haida texting you the inReach for weather updates.
No, it's a big safety thing,
Yeah.
for sure. It's actually going to be huge for Bishop Bay trips.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anybody behind us? Alright, let's spin around. Just feels good to be on the boat again.
It does. Especially on a day like today.
Yeah, believe I.
Yeah.
Okay, let's run a northbound. I'm still getting 120.
Oh, okay.
Now it's dropping a little bit, but still over 100.
But still, you wouldn't even notice that.
No, 119.
Oh.
And we're doing 22 knots. So
What's the power at?
still 50.
Yeah.
Slow down, these guys.
With the speed change, do you notice anything?
Let's try it again. A little faster, but similar.
Yeah.
Well, it's going up to 140.
But south facing, that's where the majority
South facing
of
the satellites are, so yeah.
that makes sense.
Still getting 150 though.
Well,
Alright, so you can see from our test, though, Starlink worked pretty sweet, even at speed, so really looking forward to having that for next season. But yeah, with the Jackery, the Starlink, boat's going to be pretty well equipped for next year.